Do you rely on social networks like Facebook to help you promote your brand? Do you know which of your actions are really making a difference? SmartBi can help. Our Facebook page analytical dashboard has been designed to help you develop a good content strategy to build and promote your brand. The dashboard is divided into 3 tabs, each one giving you key information that will allow you to keep an eye on how your brand resonates and grows on Facebook. The first tab analyzes your audience. Who are the people who like your Facebook page? Where do they come from? Are they women or men? Young or older? This section also tracks your growth objectives. The second tab looks at the visibility you get on Facebook. Are the people who see your post the same as those who like your page? Don't forget, getting your message to the right people increases your chances to get engaged followers. The third tab ultimately exposes how engaged people are with your brand on Facebook. This section helps you see precisely which posts give you the most visibility, engagement, reactions, comments, or shares. This is a very important element to quickly improve the quality of your content. Your Facebook page performance tracking dashboard will help you find the right formula to quickly increase your brand's social reach. Our goal, to highlight the concrete impacts of each action you take. Thanks to SmartBi, you get superpowers without having to be Merlin the magician. For more information, contact us. We won't disappear on you.